Hello grade 7 students. This is a brief summary to our chapter 10 electric circuits. Here as you can see the chapter's objectives. So let's start by the parts of an incandescent lamp. We know that the incandescent lamp has four main parts: the glass bulb, a tungsten filament, and the two terminals, the base and the central contact. Here we labeled the parts on the figure. In figure 2, we can see now that the two extremities of the filament are connected to two different parts of the lamp, which are the base and the central contact. So the extremities of the filament are connected to the terminals of the lamp, the base and the central contact. We have two types of incandescent lamps: a lamp with a screw base and a lamp with a push button base. Now in this figure we can see different kinds or different types of batteries or dry cells. A dry cell is the same as the battery and it's the source of electric current. It has two distinct poles, which are the positive pole and the negative pole. Here are the symbols of some electric components. We have to know how to draw each component by its symbol. So what's the meaning of an electric circuit? The electric circuit is a group of electric components. It must be mainly formed of a dry cell, a lamp or a motor, and they must be connected by connecting wires. So when they are connected to each other, we form in this case an electric circuit. We draw the circuit by diagrams using the symbols. So here we are representing two circuits, a closed circuit and an open circuit, by symbols. These are the diagrams using the symbols. In the first case, when the circuit is closed, you can see that the electric current I flows from the positive pole of the dry cell into the negative pole, and in this case the lamp glows. While in the open circuit, the electric current cannot pass, so the lamp doesn't glow. What's meant by the electric current? The electric current is the quantity of electricity that passes through the components, and it must flow from the positive pole of the dry cell to the negative pole. You know that each dry cell has a certain voltage. For example, if we read on a dry cell 9 volt, what does this voltage mean? It means that this is the voltage across the dry cell. While if we see on a lamp a certain voltage, for example 2.5 volt written on a lamp, this means that this is the rated voltage of the lamp to function normally. It must take 2.5 volt in order to function normally. How can we adapt a lamp to a dry cell? If the voltage of the dry cell is equal to the rated voltage of the lamp, or if it's slightly different from its voltage, in this case the lamp glows normally. While if the voltage of the dry cell is greater from the rated voltage of the lamp, we gave it too much energy. In this case, the lamp glows strongly or brightly and it may burn out. And if we give it a voltage less than its rated voltage, in this case, the lamp glows dimly or weakly. What's the difference between conductors and insulators? Conductors are objects that allow the electric current to pass through them, like all metals, iron, copper, gold, etc. While insulators, unlike the conductors, they do not allow the electric current to pass through them, like plastic, wood, cotton, rubber, etc. Thank you.